Hi children, today we will continue with the same chapter but I will give you more exercise problems only, right? Okay. Then first one is exercise 6b, reduce the fraction to its lowest term in each of the following, right? And how can I reduce, the number is given in the question. That is easy for you. No need to find the HCF. You know what's the reason? That is given in the question itself. Then you can just divide only. Is it clear? Otherwise, we need to find the HCF. After that, we need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. Then only you will get the lowest term. But here, we don't have any problem. You know what's the reason? That common factor, they are given in the question itself. We need to just divide only, is it? 14 by 7 is what? 2. And 21 by 7 is what? 3. You can do all these problems with a multiplication table. That's why again and again I am telling multiplication table is very important for you. Is it? And 9 by 3, 3. 12 by 3 is 4. Okay, 3 by 4. And 10 by 5, that is 2. And 15 by 5, that is 3. Then 12 by 4 is what? 3. And 14 by 4 is what? 4. Is it clear? Just divide only, because we don't want to find the HCF because that number is given in the question itself. Just divide only. Okay. Then homework questions, exercise, I will give you some E and F, I will give it as homework, easy for you. That number is given in the question, you can just divide and write the answer only there. Is it? Okay. And the next one, circle the fractions in its lowest term. Which are the fractions we need to circle? When that fraction is in the lowest term, then only we can circle. First fraction, 3 by 15. Condition for lowest term is what? When only we can say one fraction is in the lowest term? The common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. At that moment only you can say that fraction is in the lowest term. And 3 by 15 is our fraction. And see, the common factor between numerator and denominator is what? Here is it 1, the common factor? No. Which one only common factor? We can, the common factor is what only? Numerator and denominator? 3, right? That is not 1. That means it is not in the lowest term. First one is not in the lowest term. You know what's the reason? The common factor between numerator and denominator is 1 only. We can say it is in the lowest term. Here it is not 1. Here common factors are, the 3 is the common factor, not 1. That means it is not in the lowest term. Next one, 4. Here also, the lowest, the common factor between numerator and denominator is not 1. Here we can divide the numerator and denominator by 4, right? 4 is the common factor. It is not 1. When the common factor becomes 1 only we can say. And here, 1 and 5. See this one, 1 only common factor, right? Because numerator is 1 and the denominator is 5. There is no other common factor. Common factor is what? 1 only common factor there for the numerator and denominator. That is in the lowest term. Next one, 11 and 13. Any common factor there? No, the common factor between numerator and denominator is what? 1 only. That means it is in the lowest term. And next one, 12 by 14. Is it in the lowest term? No children, because their common factors are 3. No, not 3, 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. 2 is the common factor there, right? It is not 1. That's why it is not in the lowest term. But what about 2 by 11? That is in the lowest term. Because common factor between numerator and denominator is 1 only. Okay. And 3 by 5, here also common factor is 1. That's why it is in the lowest term. 5 by 7, It is 5 by 7. The common factor between numerator and denominator is what? 1 only. Okay. And 6 by 8, it is not 1. The common factor between numerator and denominator is not 1. That means it is not in the lowest term. Okay. Is it clear what is lowest term? Okay. When the common factor between numerator and denominator becomes 1, at that moment we can say it is in the lowest term only. Is it clear? Okay. And reduce the following fractions into their lowest term. How can we do it like that? Okay. And first number is what? 14 by 49. Here we want to use what? Finding the HCF. Then only we can reduce it into the lowest term, right? How can we find the HCF? I teach you in the last video, right? That is 14. HCF is what? 14. 2 7s are 14. 7 ones. Then 49. 49 is what? 7. 7 7s are 7 1. And the factors are what? 14 equals 2 into 7 into 1. And 49 equals what? 7 into 7 into 1. HCF is what? Common factors only. And HCF is 7 into 1. After that I need to divide the numerator and denominator by which number? 14 by 7 and 49 by 7. And 14 by 7 is what? 2. And this one is what? 7. Answer is what? 2 by 7. It is in the lowest term. Lowest term only, right? Okay. 2 by 7. The next one is 28 by 32. Here also we need to find the HCF. After that we need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. 28 equals 2 and 2 7. 7 ones are 7. And 32, that also I will do it like this. 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, then 2 ones. Okay, and here 28 equals 2 into 2 into 7 into 1, and 32 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay, and common factors are this and this and this. Any other? No, one only. HCF is what? HCF is 2 into 2 into 1. That is 4. Okay. After that we need to divide numerator and denominator by HCF. 28 by 32 will become what? 28 by 4 divided by 32 divided by 4. Answer is what? 7 by lowest term only. Is it clear? Okay. Then the next one is 9 by 27. And one more is there. Okay. It is your homework, right? And shall I give this also as homework? Can you do it at home? Okay. And 9 by 27. You need to find the HCF of 9 and 27. After that you need to divide 9 by HCF and 9 by HCF and 27 by HCF. You will get the lowest term of this fraction. 9 by 27. Is it clear, children? This also as homework. Then only you will study, right? Next one. 20 by 36. First you need to find the HCF of 20 and 36 by division method. I teach you, right? And the other teacher also teach you in the last video, right? Okay. And 20 division method, 20 and 36 HCF. And then you will get one HCF. After that you need to divide the numerator by HCF and the denominator by HCF. You will get the answer. You will get what? Lowest term. And one more homework. Finish. Thank you.